Hello, I'm David Yurkofsky, immigration attorney. Since you're curious about the H-1B visa, I'm going to go through the points, a summary of the things that are necessary for every H-1B case. And anytime you want to try for an H-1B, you need to have these elements. Otherwise, it's not going to work. So, this is what you need. An H-1B is for professional specialty occupations. And this has a very broad definition. The immigration regulations define this as any job that requires a 4-year college degree with a specific major. So, that could be any job. It could be an accountant, it could be a lawyer, a film production specialist, sometimes graphic designers, any job that requires a 4-year degree. That's the most important aspect of the H-1B. The second point is that you have that degree, the equivalent of a US 4-year degree. So if you have a 3-year degree from Canada, France, Australia, or Japan, that might not be good enough. It has to go to an educational evaluator who will tell us. But there's something that will help us too. Let's say you don't have any college degree. 3 years of work experience is equivalent to 1 year of college. That's what the immigration accepts. So if you have 12 years of work experience in a particular field, teaching French, as an expert in computer graphics, as someone who's a software engineer, a business manager, an entrepreneur who's great at starting businesses, if you've got 12 years, it will be the equivalent of someone who has a 4-year degree in business administration, or French, or science, or art. If you only have 2 years of college, then 6 years of work is enough. If you only have 1 year of college, then 9 years of work is enough. So the 2 points are the job must require a 4-year college degree, and you must have the degree or the US equivalent. And the final point is the employer must be willing to sign papers that guarantee to pay you a specific wage that is dictated by the United States Department of Labor. We find that wage at the US Department of Labor's website. And different states have different wages for the same job. So in New York or California, a producer might have to earn $60,000 a year, but in Florida or North Carolina or Tennessee, the minimum might only be $32,000 a year. And one final point, it does not have to be a full-time job. It could be a part-time job, as long as the wage is at least the minimum of what you need to get paid per hour according to the dictates of the United States Department of Labor. So those are the 3 points. The degree, you have the degree, and you're getting paid the required minimum. Once again, my name is David Yurkofsky. Thank you for watching. The information I've provided so far is just an overview. If you want specific advice about your case, please feel free to contact me. The information is available on my website. Thank you.